Alright, here we go again. Maiden of the TL2000 Hobby King version. I think this is the Sting. DX9, 1300 milliamp battery. I put a 4-cell so I got a little bit extra juice. It's almost sunset. This is my flying field, so hope it goes good. I'm just going to taxi it for a minute or two. Make sure I can drive it back to the launch area. Launch work. He's a gorgeous kid. Wide turns. Any kind of wind makes it very directional. I think the wind is coming from behind me. It's hard to tell when you're kind of a little lower than the house line. So, let's see how this maiden goes. I'm going to take off in the other direction. Scary. Down trim. Very quick. Settle down a second. I'm at half throttle here. She's very fast. Just kind of fun. About 40% right there. And that was what I was expecting to fly. Elevator, but I wanted to stay true when I let off the sticks. But she wants to just not dive, but she wants to just come down a little bit. That's a little bit better. That's hands off, drifting a little bit. dives just a little bit. There you go, a little bit of a climb. We've got still just a little bit bank. About got her dialed in. Alright, let's see. Hands off the stick. That's not too shabby. Not too shabby. Right next to us. Yeah, that's a gorgeous plane. It's 35% right here. This is a little slow fly. Sunset. It's gorgeous, dude. Gorgeous. Give you a little preview here. Throttle up a little bit. Probably about 3/4 throttle. I got the ducks checking me out. Yeah, look at that silhouette right there. That's awesome. Just as the sun is coming down. A little bit after 6 o'clock, so can't ask for a more, as far as a setting is concerned. This is a nice setting. One more pass, look at that. Alright, I'm coming in for a landing. See if I can have some chops here, bring it down right in front of us. Much hands off the stick. I'm just gonna let it float down. Oh, a little skipper. Little skip. That's not too shabby. I'll take it. She's down in one piece. Hard to see in that little sun glare right there off the water. Yeah. This is nice, man. Second airplane. It's turned out really well. TL2000 Hobby King. Gorgeous kit. It's fun to fly. It's going to have a little bit of speed to it, but look at the size of this canopy. I'm probably going to go FPV with it. That way, over here on this far side, it's a nice wide opening, so I can come right down through here, and make a tight turn, come back through, and I got a nice little approach here. So pretty cool, man. I'm digging it.